Hi, Jonathan here, founder of JR Landworks, one of our region's most prominent land clearing and vegetation management companies. We are proud to serve residential and estate clients throughout our service area in Northern and Central Virginia, as well as heavy civil contractors, power and utility companies, and government agencies. JR Landworks specializes in land clearing services, vegetation management solutions, urban tree removal, timber access mat installation, and environmental restoration. Our commitment extends beyond project completion. We restore project sites, plant native grass species, and contribute to forest fire fuel reduction projects and habitat improvements. This includes forestry mulching, invasive species removal, and precise herbicide application. We strive to be the most responsive, professional, productive, and safe land clearing and vegetation management company in the industry. And our commitment to safety is unwavering. We maintain above average insurance, and every team member is OSHA and first aid certified. When you choose JR Landworks for your next land clearing or vegetation management project, you'll experience the professionalism, production, and safety JR Landworks delivers. Whether it's a 20-acre site or a residential backyard, visit us online to connect with us, and we look forward to serving you soon.